Let me show you 3 shortcuts that save hours of editing time in Premiere Pro. First shortcut we'll use is Ripple Delete. Move your playhead to any gap in the timeline, click the empty space once so the gap is selected, then press Shift plus Delete. The gap closes instantly and everything to the right moves left. No dragging, no nudging. If the gap is between clips on multiple tracks, make sure only the tracks you want targeted are active in the track header. Toggle the V1/V2 track targeting if needed. To use Ripple Delete on a clip instead of a gap, select the clip and press Shift plus Delete to remove it, and automatically close the cut. This saves tons of time when you're cleaning up interview timelines or trimming multicam assemblies. The second shortcut is Add Edit. Place the playhead where you want to cut, then press Ctrl plus K to slice all targeted tracks at the playhead. If that shortcut isn't there, go to Edit. Keyboard shortcuts, type Add Edit in the search box, click the command, and assign Ctrl plus K. You can also target only specific tracks before cutting, so only those layers split. Use this with Q and W to ripple trim to the playhead. Press Q to ripple trim the start of a clip to the playhead. Press W to ripple trim the end of a clip to the playhead. Combining Add Edit plus Q and W means you can jump the playhead, cut and trim without touching the mouse. A massive time saver. Third shortcut is Paste Attributes for quickly copying effects and motion settings. First, select the source clip that has your grade, motion, or keyframes, and press Ctrl plus C. Then select one or more target clips. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. The Paste Attributes dialog opens. Tick the boxes you want, for example, Color Replace, Lumetri Color, or specific effect checkboxes, then confirm. This pastes only the attributes you choose without overwriting other edits. If you prefer duplicating a clip with all attributes intact, select the clip and hold Alt, then drag upward or right to create a duplicate layer. Same settings, instantly. Now a few workflow tips that tie these 3 shortcuts together. Enable selection follows playhead by going to the sequence window and check selection follows playhead. With that on, your keyboard cuts and trims automatically target the clip under the playhead, so you can keep your hands on the keyboard. Also, enable track targeting on the left of the timeline, so Add Edit only affects the tracks you choose. Here's a quick real-world sequence using all 3 shortcuts. Move the playhead to a point and press Ctrl plus K to cut. Ripple trim the edit with Q or W to tighten the timing. Select a bad clip and press Shift plus Delete to remove it and close the gap. Copy your graded master clip with Ctrl plus C, select the rest of the B-roll, hit Ctrl plus Alt plus V, tick Lumetri Color, and confirm. Now every B-roll clip matches your grade and scale instantly. Extra quick hits that pair well. Use J to move the slider in reverse, L to move it forward, and K to pause. These help to shuttle through footage while you find edit points. Press I and O to set in and out points before cutting, and press backtick key to toggle the full timeline view for faster navigation. For transitions, press Ctrl plus D to add the default video transition between video clips, and Ctrl plus Shift plus D to add the default audio crossfade across selected edit points. You can set these default transitions by going to Effect Controls, right-click on your transition, and choosing Set Selected as Default Transition. Practice this routine. Cut with Ctrl plus K, trim with Q or W, remove gaps with Shift plus Delete, then match clips with Ctrl plus C to copy, and Ctrl plus Alt plus V to paste effects. You'll end up with faster assembly, fewer mouse trips, and whole hours saved on every project.